it's Chelsea. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a plan with me for October 26th through November 1st. I'm using the Trick or Sweets kit from GoldPaperPrints. And if you want to go ahead and see how this is going to lay out for the week, go ahead and stay tuned. Also, if you want to see the haul that goes with this, I do have more in-depth or more information on this kit. I did get different add-ons. As you can see, this is actually a older format. Let me say that first as well. So you will not get this. You will be getting it the way that it was the last couple of weeks. I also want to definitely show you guys these though. My half-day half-day custom script rainbow scripts. My custom scripts of rainbow scheme in half-day and one-on-one for my kiddos' school. Recycle, trash day in neutral, get up early in rainbow, Zoom in colorful, and then these mugs. That's something I will be using this week. I also have plans that I will actually be canceling, or not canceling, but I will. It will look a little different than the last couple of weeks. But yeah, if you want to see how this week is going to turn out before the memory spread, go ahead and stay tuned. Alright guys, here is the look before the pen, other than a couple things I already had written down just so I wouldn't forget. So this is before the pen, final layout for the Playing With Me. I'm going to go ahead and fill everything in and then I'll come back. Guys, this is the final look. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Here we go. All right. This is the final look of everything that I know that's going on, including therapy, school, and yeah, as you can see, I actually forgot to put in my dinners as well, my dinner littles, and I forgot to put in a couple other things. This is the plan with me that will be going up this Monday, so obviously I had to put it in, because why not? This is it. I'm really not too sure what's going to go on, just because that's you can see I had to add a few things that I forgot to do previous to the pen. I don't know what's going to happen because of this Saturday being not just Halloween, but also being my brother-in-law's birthday, which I will mark that when I do the memory spread, because I don't know if I'm going to see him or not. So I'm not quite sure how I want to present that on here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys!